Hello everyone, welcome back. It finally happened. Python is now integrated with Excel. Thank you, Microsoft, for adding this exciting feature. This was actually one of the top demanded features from many years ago. I'm not sure what takes them so long to support Python in Excel, but in hindsight, it was inevitable. Maybe Guido's involvement helped push this forward. I'm truly thankful. Appreciate everything you've done, Guido. Excel is probably the most important software still active to this day. Our entire global financial system runs on Excel. This is no joke because I work in the financial industry and Excel is what 99% people uses every day. Python, on the other hand, is a powerful general purpose programming language. In addition, Python is a gold standard for doing big data and machine learning work. The integration of Python and Excel is inevitable. 3 years ago on my blog, pythoninoffice.com, I wrote about integrating Excel and Python together using Excel as the interface and Python as the engine. There were many attempts by people in the past to combine Python and Excel together. They all require some sort of setup like installing Python libraries and Excel plugins. Now, Excel officially integrates with Python, which means we can run Python code inside Excel, just like running VBA macros. We don't need IT's approval anymore for installing third-party libraries or software now, and this is huge in the corporate world. We can now trigger a Python function inside Excel by typing equal py directly inside the cell. This will change the formula cell into a box where we can type multiple lines of Python code. In the current state, Python in Excel leverages Anaconda Python distribution running in the Microsoft Azure cloud. Right out of box, we have access to powerful Python libraries like pandas for data wrangling, which means we can handle millions or billions of rows of data, matplotlib or seaborn for data visualization. We can now draw sophisticated graphs that's unthinkable in the old Excel world. And we can also implement machine learning or predictive analytic models easily inside Excel using libraries such as scikit-learn. This is all exciting development, but I have two not so good news to share with the audience. The first is that not everyone has access to Python in Excel yet. Microsoft says that you need to join the beta inside their program, but it appears they push out updates only for a small number of beta insiders. The rest of us got no love and we have to wait. Second is that some functionalities will be restricted without the paid license. I'm guessing this means in addition to the 365 subscription license, because Python Excel basically runs in the Azure cloud, which costs extra money. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.